Let's start by talking about post-concussion syndrome, what it is, how it occurs, and what are the ramifications of it. First, post-concussion syndrome is really a concussion, which is a traumatic brain injury, in which the symptoms do not clear in the usual short period of time that about 80% of concussions will have their symptoms clear. About 80% of people with concussions, the symptoms will clear up within 2 weeks, and in children, up to 4 weeks. About 20%, the symptoms are going to persist. And when they persist, that's what we call post-concussion syndrome.